I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to stay on top of your transactions with Ally, enabling transaction alerts is a great way to do it. Here is how you can set it up in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Ally account. Start by visiting the Ally website or opening the Ally mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option. This is usually located in the menu or profile section of your dashboard. Step 3. Select alerts and notifications. In the account settings, look for a section labeled alerts or notifications. Click on this to view your alert options. Step 4. Enable transaction alerts. Find the option for transaction alerts and toggle it on. You can customize the types of transactions you want to be alerted about, such as deposits, withdrawals, or low balances. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferences, make sure to save your changes. You might see a confirmation message indicating that your alerts have been successfully set up. Now you're all set to receive alerts for your transactions. This way, you can keep a closer eye on your account activity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy banking!